Hey guys, welcome back to Explore with Osanda. So today we are going to be traveling to the Ruwanwelimahaseya Seya and also the Jaya Sri Maha Bhodiya. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy this video. Okay guys, we just made it to the Ruwanwelimahaseya. So look at that. It's pretty huge. You can see the Buddha's footprints over here. And now there's at least 1,000 people over here, and this is Ruwanwelimahaseya. It has the most relics, Buddha's relics in Sri Lanka. Okay guys, now we are making our way to the Jaya Sri Maha Bhodiya. So when we get there from Ruwanwelimahaseya to the Jaya Sri Maha Bhodiya, there's this like area where you can see monkeys, birds, sometimes even peacocks. We are coming near to the lower Mahapaya. So it's like a house for the monks made by King Dudugamanu. So there was a statue of him near the Ruwanwelimahaseya, which that stupa also was made by him. Now we are arriving closer to the bow tree. So now here you can see a statue of King Devanampiyathissa taking the bow sapling. And here we have some flowers. If you want to take flowers to offer to the stupas and the Buddhists, you can. Tons of joysticks and incense sticks around here. So if you bring one, you can actually light them from inside here where the lamps are, and you can put them out like this. It's really nice and it smells really good. So now after offering this, we're going to make our way to the Jaya Sri Maha Bhodiya, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. So to protect the Jaya Sri Maha Bhodiya, there are many more other Bodhis just like this. There's one here, another here. Yeah, they're everywhere. So now we are going to the main Jaya Sri Maha Bhodiya. So yeah, we are right near the entrance.
So then, why?
Okay, we've gone through the scans, we're going outside. So now this is the Jaya Sri Maha Bhodiya. Check that out, right in the middle. Nice. These are those statues that I'm talking about. They're everywhere. So now we just gotta climb up these stairs and we made it. So now this tree is the oldest tree in the whole world. It was brought to Sri Lanka from India by King Devanapiyatissa. So yeah, we're standing right near the oldest tree, the actual oldest tree in the world. This is crazy guys. So now there are some squirrels over here. So this is a golden cane that's there to support the tree. It's right over here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So now we're going down, back down the stairs. So now here you can see the bridge piece. About visiting this place is because there are not just religious places and historical places, there are also many animals. So just now we saw a lizard, there are hornbills, there's monkeys, so it's like going to a safari sort of. So yeah, now we're going back to the car park. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something new, hope you had fun watching it. I sure did have fun. So see you in the next episode. Peace.